Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm super excited to share with you a simple, foolproof recipe for homemade custard that is far better than store-bought. This custard is perfect for desserts, cakes, fruits, or even just enjoying it on its own. So let's jump right in. To make our delicious homemade custard, you need just a few ingredients: milk, sugar, eggs, some vanilla extract, cornstarch, and a little salt. In a medium bowl, I'm going to whisk together the egg yolk, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix everything together until it becomes smooth and well combined. Making homemade custard can be a bit tricky. I've had a few shares of lumpy, too thin custard in the past, but don't worry, with this recipe you will be able to achieve that perfect creamy texture every time. Our next step is to pour 2 cups of milk into a separate saucepan. Now we'll place it on a medium heat and allow the milk to heat up until it starts to simmer. Be careful not to let it boil. Once it is hot, we'll slowly pour the milk into the egg mixture, whisking consistently to prevent lumps from forming. Pour the mixture back into the saucepan and cook over low heat, stirring consistently until the custard thickens. This is the part where patience is the key. Don't rush it or you will end up with scrambled eggs. As you stir, you will start to notice the custard thickening. And that's it. Once our custard has thickened, we'll remove it from the heat and add in 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. We'll stir until everything is fully combined, and that's it. Your homemade custard is ready. Look at that beautiful creamy texture. And can you smell that amazing aroma? It's like a warm hug in a bowl. I just can't get enough of that. And guys, also to chill the custard, you want to make sure your custard is covered with plastic wrap, which is touching the surface. This will help prevent any skin from forming on the custard. Then chill it for at least 4 hours or even overnight. In just a few minutes, you will have a delicious homemade custard that is perfect for serving on its own or as a topping for your favorite dessert. And the best part, you made it yourself with love and care. So go ahead and give this recipe a try. And don't forget to share your results in the comments below. If you love easy and delicious recipes like this, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more recipes. Until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys!